Welcome to Quality Minute Insights. I'm Rick Harrington, Jr., CEO of Harrington Group International. It's Friday, July 18th, 2025, and today, in about 3 minutes, we'll explore how a quality management software, QMS, benefits manufacturing companies, large or small, by streamlining processes, ensuring compliance, and enhancing product quality. Before we get started, please take a moment to hit that subscribe to our channel and like our videos. It helps us deliver you more great content. Now, let's dive into the show. Using a quality management software, QMS system in a manufacturing company, whether large or small, offers significant benefits by streamlining processes, ensuring compliance, and improving product quality. Here's a concise breakdown of why a QMS is valuable. Consistency and quality control. QMS standardizes processes, ensuring consistent product quality across production runs. It helps track defects, manage inspections, and maintain quality standards, reducing errors and rework. Regulatory compliance. Manufacturing industries often face strict regulations like ISO 9001, FDA, DoD, or industry-specific standards. A QMS automates compliance tracking, documentation, and audits, reducing the risk of non-compliance penalties. Efficiency and cost savings by automating tasks like document control, non-conformance reporting, and corrective actions. A QMS reduces manual work, minimizes errors, and lowers costs from defects or recalls. Data-driven decision-making. QMS provides real-time data and analytics on quality metrics, enabling manufacturers to identify trends, address issues proactively, and optimize processes. Customer satisfaction. Consistent quality and faster resolution of issues lead to higher customer satisfaction and trust, which is critical for retaining clients and building a reputation. Scalability. For small companies, a QMS provides a foundation for growth by establishing robust processes early. For large companies, it ensures alignment across multiple sites or teams. Risk management. QMS helps identify and mitigate risks early, such as equipment failures or supply chain issues, preventing costly disruptions. Employee accountability and training. A QMS tracks employee training, certifications, and process adherence, ensuring everyone follows best practices. For small manufacturers, a QMS can be cost-effective by preventing issues that disproportionately impact limited resources. For large manufacturers, it ensures uniformity across complex operations. Implementing a QMS tailored to the company's size and needs maximizes these benefits while minimizing complexity. So whether you're a small or large manufacturing company, a tailored QMS like Harrington Group International's HQMS maximizes benefits, consistency, compliance, and cost savings while minimizing complexity. Ready to transform your manufacturing? Visit harringtongroup.com or call 1-800-ISO 9000 for a demo. Thanks for watching.